Hey, what's up you guys? Today we're going to be installing this Mechman alternator. It's a 250 amp and we're going to be putting it in the Trailblazer. I'm going to open it up for you guys real quick. With this harness, some instructions, and this is the alternator. So it only has 2 mounting bolts. Pretty cool. Make it a lot faster. Let's go over to the Trailblazer and I'll show you. Alright, so the alternator is right here, top driver's side corner. I'm gonna take out this 10mm, take off the cover. And now that the cover is off, we have to take off the belt. This is a 15mm, so I'm gonna get the wrench in there and pry it to one side so I can get the belt off. And then we can get to these bolts. Alright, so I got the belt off. I just laid it right there real quick. But I have to remove this catch can because it's in the way. So, just gonna get to this bolt real quick, and then I'm gonna get these two 15mm bolts. First, let me unplug this harness. This plug right here. And then I'm gonna get a 10mm to get that off. Okay, so I got the 10 off, I got the plug off. Now let's work on these 15mm bolts. Alright, so I got the bolt out. And you can see right here it says 145 amps. So the 270 is gonna be pretty good, I think, for what we're doing with this. So let me get this out of the way, and we'll bring the other one over here and put it in its place. Here's a little side-by-side comparison, stock and the new one. You can kind of hear the bearings on this one. For this Mechman, you know, you have to do the big 3 upgrade. So you have to use this lug. And it's cool because they actually send you this saying what it was putting out. So 257 cruising, and that idle is at 198. Also the date 1/11/21. That's the part number. Anyone interested? Made in the USA. So let me throw this one on the bracket, and then we'll go from there, see what's going on with this harness. Okay, so right here in the instructions it says that this harness has to be used. So this has to be tapped to a 12-volt switch ignition source. So it doesn't matter, it says even if your vehicle's stock alternator harness will plug into the Mechman alternator, this extension must be installed for proper alternator operation. So it all works. It should work. I have to use this. So let's find out where we're going to be able to tap into with the blue wire. Okay, I got the plug in both sides. So now we're gonna figure out where to run this cable. The alternator's in place. I tightened this one. I just didn't tighten this one because we're gonna do the big 3 upgrade. So I think this power cable is not gonna be used anymore because it doesn't even reach over there, and I don't even think it would fit over this. So we'll figure out where we could run this blue cable to. Alright, so we just got back from AutoZone, and this is the fuse tap we're going to be using. So the blue wire is going to run into this, and we're going to tap one of these fuses, and then everything should work fine. We're also going to throw some split loom later on onto this, just to tuck the cables away a little bit. Let me get to this real quick and I'll put you guys back. So this is the blue cable spliced in, and we're going to tap into fuse 10, which is ignition. So for the ignition, this 10 amp fuse is gonna go into this, and then we're gonna put something, I think like a 7 amp fuse right above. All right, so this is the 7.5 amp fuse for the blue wire, and then the 10, which is still the ignition one, it's gonna go here, and we're gonna run the wire neatly, and then we're probably gonna end up going through here. So let me run it real quick, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like at the end. All right, so I left this wire pretty long just because I want to route that neatly, but for now I just want to test it out. So I'm gonna tuck all that wire away, put these covers back on. That, so the cable's gonna come out through here, go in through this, and it's gonna come out through there, and then just go up here. So what I'm gonna do next is do the big 3 upgrade. That's it for this video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Follow us on Instagram at @Yonke_OXC Films. Catch you in the next one.